Two password giants, but only one can keep your secrets truly safe. Which one really delivers? On the left, 1Password, smarter, safer password management. And on the right, Cybersecurity, a secure and affordable digital vault. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's the map we're working with, so you can follow along at home. We're comparing these two on security, features, price, compatibility, user experience, and customer support. That's a lot to cover, but trust me, some of these differences are pretty wild. Let's kick off with security. So for 1Password, honestly, it's got some serious muscle here. You get AES 256 encryption, PBKDF2 protection, and a nifty little extra, a 128 or 34 character secret key that's super unique to your account. That means even if someone tries to get in, it's like having an extra door with a lock nobody else has. Zero knowledge architecture? You bet. Plus, Watchtower breach alerts keep you posted if something sketchy happens. The only catch is biometric login isn't everywhere yet. But honestly, with the rest of these features, you're pretty solid. Now, with Cybersecurity, you still get AES 256 encryption and PBKDF2, so that's covered. Also, zero knowledge policy, which is great. The cool part? Keeper does offer a bunch of 2FA options, so if you like having choices, that's there for you. But no secret key mechanism. It's good, but just not as hardcore as 1Password's setup. If we're giving out trophies, 1Password totally takes this round. Let's roll into features. 1Password is kind of famous for its travel mode. You're crossing borders? It hides your sensitive stuff until you're safely through. How James Bond is that? Plus, Watchtower hits again with real-time breach and weak password alerts. Throw in a built-in password generator, and their secrets automation, like SSH agent, CLI, and API integrations. So yeah, it's super capable for geekier tasks too. But heads up, you do have to pay. No freebies here. For Cybersecurity, they've got secure chat, which is kind of cool for messaging. BreachWatch lets you monitor data breaches, but, wait for it, you gotta pay extra for it. There's also password strength detection, so you won't set password 123 without a guilt trip. But if you want their secrets manager or more integrations, that's also gonna cost you. Bottom line, 1Password just has that extra sparkle and wins this round. Let's talk price, because honestly, nobody loves paying more than they need to. 1Password, you get a ton of premium stuff, but you will pay for it. There's no free version, nope, not even a watered-down one. And if you've got a family or a business, those costs climb. Cybersecurity is where the wallet gets a break. Their pricing is super friendly, you've got lots of plan options, flexibility for businesses, and hey, there's a free version. Sure, BreachWatch costs extra, but the basics? Way easier on your bank account. In this category, Cybersecurity is the champ. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know 1Password has a travel mode? With just a tap, it can hide your most sensitive vaults when you're crossing borders. Kind of like a secret agent for your passwords. All right, compatibility. 1Password is here for everyone. Windows, Mac, Android, iOS. It works almost everywhere. Even the browsers. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, you name it. Plus, importing old passwords and sharing vaults, super easy. With Cybersecurity, you're still pretty well covered. Most devices, browsers are supported. But if you're switching from another manager, importing options aren't quite as flexible. Not a deal breaker, but 1Password just nails it. Winner here is 1Password. Next up, user experience. I gotta say, 1Password just feels classy. Everything is clean, easy to understand, and even their mobile app looks good and works smoothly. Browser extensions are loaded with features too. Cybersecurity? It's nice, don't get me wrong, the apps look fine, but the mobile experience isn't as smooth or refined. Browser extensions a little basic, and you kind of wish there was more to play with. So, if you want that pro vibe, 1Password is the winner.
Finally, let's look at customer support. Both 1Password and Cybersecurity do a solid job here. You've got multiple ways to reach out, and the help is quick and on point. Honestly, I couldn't pick a favorite. Even when you're stuck, help is there. So I'm calling it, this one's a tie.
So, if you look at the radar chart, you'll notice 1Password is crushing it in security, features, compatibility, and user experience. Cybersecurity really shines in pricing and holds its own in support. Pretty interesting shape when you plot it all out. Alright, so after running through everything, here's what I think. 1Password, it's the clear winner if you want killer security, fancy features, and a super smooth interface. Keeper Security is awesome if you need something more affordable and flexible. But just remember, some special stuff costs extra. So, if you're all about security and features, go 1Password. If your budget's tight and you want simple but solid, Keeper will treat you well. Was this comparison useful? Make sure to follow for more expert insights.